Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello and welcome to this review. Today we're gonna have a look at some of my favorite power banks, which I'm using at all times to charge my cameras, notebooks, the drone, the gimbal, my phone. It might be that you're a student and you want to learn outside, maybe in the park, and you need to charge your tablet, notebook, phone. Or it might be that you're a photographer and you're going from one job to the other, and in between you need to charge your cameras. Or it might be that you're going on a really long trip around the world and you need some power banks to charge your devices because you have a drone, you have a camera, you have a phone that needs some power. And today we're gonna have a look at some of my favorites, so stay tuned. I got this power bank already quite a while ago. You can see 65 watts, 20,000 milliamperes. On this side here you have a button which indicates the current status of the capacity. So at the moment 100%. You can also see the volts. You got two USB-A ports, one micro USB port which only charges this power bank, and one USB-C port with power delivery. Power delivery is important because with power delivery you can charge your cameras like the Canon EOS R6, R3, Sony Alpha R7 IV for instance, and that requires power delivery. With this power bank you can charge approximately 5 times your iPhone or your MacBook Air 1 times, or the MacBook Pro 14-inch 1 times. And the only downside of this power bank, it's quite heavy, however it has a solid build quality. I have this power bank already for quite a while. It has power delivery as well, which allows me to charge my cameras. And you got a normal USB-A port with iSmart. That means it only charges your devices up to 80%, which is better for the battery. However, if you want more power, just press this button here one more time and then it charges your device fully. It also got 20,000 milliampere, so same capacity as this one. It's much lighter than this one, but it offers less ports, as you can see. But the important thing is power delivery. Next power bank is this one here. I like it quite a lot, to be honest. It does offer an LCD screen right here with the current capacity. On top we got only 2 ports, USB-C to charge this power bank and to use it as a charger for all devices, and a USB-A port. It got 10,000 milliampere, and the smart thing about this one here, of its 20 watts, it has wireless charging. So you take your phone, put it on top, and then it charges your phone without using a cable. The cool thing is it's quite light. You can take it in your pocket. It's super easy once you travel, and you don't need too much capacity, since 10,000 milliampere only charges my iPhone 13 Pro about 1.5 times or 2 times this camera, since this power bank has power delivery as well. This power bank also has 20 watts. In blue you got these 4 LEDs which indicates the current status of this power bank. It got a micro USB port to charge this power bank. You can also use the one with USB-C. It got a USB-A port, 20,000 milliamperes. To be honest, it's quite as heavy as this one here, and it doesn't have more ports than this one. So if you're deciding which power bank you acquire, I would definitely go for this one here instead of this one. I like the design. Well, it's white, and so many power banks out there are just black. And it got power delivery as well to charge the camera, for instance, using USB-C. Yeah, the downside is, as you can see, it's quite bulky. So as this one here, it's approximately the same size, same weight. If I needed to decide, it would be this one. This power bank is quite amazing since it's compact. It does have a bit of weight, to be honest. However, the build quality is super great. It offers 2 times USB-C with power delivery. That means I can charge 2 cameras at the same time, or I use the USB-C port for a different device like your smartphone, a tablet, or anything like that. Since with power delivery and USB-C, your devices will charge much quicker. And it got also quick charge on this USB-A port. It offers 15,000 milliampere. Well, it is quite heavy, to be honest, but on the other side you get a stunning build quality with 2 USB-C ports. Last but not least, I bought this power bank already 3 times since it's quite cheap. It is bigger than all the other ones. However, it's quite light, and that's what I like about this power bank with a capacity of almost 26,000 milliamperes. It offers 3 USB-A ports with quick charge, micro USB on this side to charge this power bank. However, it's much slower than charging it with the USB Type-C port. Now we come to a special feature. If you're an iPhone user and you have a cable like this at home, USB-C to Lightning, or a normal USB-A to Lightning cable, then you can use the Lightning port to charge this power bank. Isn't that cool? But you cannot do it the reverse way, so you cannot use the Lightning port to charge other devices. However, if you don't want to have a cable mess at home, this might be a solution, because then you only need one cable to charge all your devices. Well, I like it that it has a great capacity, it's lightweight, it's a bit bigger than the rest of the power banks. However, you have a lot of possibilities to charge your devices. Obviously with power delivery, otherwise I wouldn't have got this power bank, since I need power delivery at all times to charge my camera. You can charge all other devices out there without using power delivery. For instance, your drone battery, a gimbal, your torch, your smartphone, your iPad, they don't require power delivery. However, if I needed to decide between those power banks, it would either be this one if I need more capacity, or this one if I require less capacity, but if I need to charge 2 devices at the same time, which require power delivery. So hard decision, the final decision is up to you. A link is listed in the video description. Last but not least, here is the biggest power bank I'm using for a lot of shootings. It's the EcoFlow Delta, which features 4 USB ports up here, 2 times USB-C with power delivery. Each of them offers 60 watts. The newer and the smaller version of this EcoFlow offers already 100 watts USB-C ports. And the great thing is that it also got some sockets here at the back sides, 4 of them. This EcoFlow is available in many different sizes. It starts right here with about 300 bucks and it goes to this size here with 45 kilograms, and that costs about 4,000 euros. However, I can charge everything with this EcoFlow. Doesn't matter if it's a gimbal, a camera, a big battery like this one here through a normal socket. And the great thing is I can do video editing in my car using Final Cut. I can open Photoshop, I can open Lightroom all at the same time, and I have the capacity to work approximately 10 hours completely autark from any socket out there, just using this big power bank. And the great thing is, once you're planning for a longer trip, you can charge this also using the 12-volt adapter from your car. The cool thing is you can charge it in 3 different ways. Either at home, you can charge it through the solar panel, or using the car adapter. And you're completely independent from any power source up there. If you have a long shooting weekend for a wedding, a festival, or anything like that, make sure to check out this EcoFlow. That was my review about my most favorite power banks, and that was not all, because I have, I don't know, like 20 more power banks. As you can see, those LED stripes here in the back, they also work with USB, and there's also a power bank on top which keeps these LEDs powered. If it's a really long shooting day, I would definitely take the EcoFlow with me in my car and some power banks in my backpack at the same time. And if you just want to keep it simple and you don't need that much capacity, get either this power bank with wireless charging, or this one here if you need more capacity, or this one here if you need twice a power delivery port. I hope you enjoyed watching this review. If you have any further questions, please make sure you leave a comment below. Everything is listed in my Amazon shop, link below. See you very soon and have a great Christmas time.